video I'll be showing you how to edit expense entries. So any unbilled expense entry can be edited, however once the expense has been billed for, it can't be edited. Expense entries appear listed at the bottom of the expense and expense entry screen. So to make sure that you can see it at the bottom of the screen, you'll want to select the relevant date that the expense entry falls on, or you can even go ahead and go under expense and search for the expense entry and edit it from there. Now from here, if I just click on edit, you can see that all the expense entry details have been pulled up into these fields again, so I can edit any part of this that I need to. So if I just go ahead and do this and I click update, and then we have the no charge note over here. We can edit again from here, and we can copy this expense entry, which will basically just copy and paste the exact same details onto another date for you, or you can delete and you can view a summary of all the expense details from this document icon over here. Also, please note that sometimes the status may appear as pending, and pending will mean that the expense entry is already on a draft invoice, and expenses on a draft invoice need to be edited under the invoice draft screen. So if I just go ahead and I click on this, and then if I drill into the amount to open up the edit screen and I click on the expense tab, here we have the expense entries, and I can click on edit and edit from over here.